Crispy Clean is giving Vika's shitbox a bit of love. Yeah. So that's your daily.
Yes.
Running on full slicks, which is not allowed on TF, but yeah, it's does not. Yeah. M240. Mostly 240 without the M. Or
Stock.
Everything stock? What about the brakes?
The brakes are the M discs.
Okay.
With PFC.
Oh, look at that. Look how many different cars. Wow, beautiful. Woo! Fantastic. Anyway, ADHD, got distracted. M discs with PFC pads or what?
Yes.
Nice, very good.
But yeah, it's not that good. But better than stock.
Yeah, of course. All right, so we've done all your cars so far. Rest in peace, Polo. Also the E36, and now we're doing M240. Yeah. So I guess let's go see.
Maybe you have something with a photo of this face.
Why are you so clapped? Why are you so like? You're like the trashiest Tia driver I know. Trailer Park Boys, Nürburgring edition.
So.
That's our friendly banter among each other before people gonna say like, oh yeah, why is she so harsh? Why is she so... Alright, let's go.
Scheiße.
Oh nein.
Scheiße.
Oh, arme du.
I hope it's there. Yes, it is. Irgendwo. Ah!
You need help?
Mir ist nicht mehr zu helfen.
I know that. Ah, you're doing... Oh, you can steer with your knees. Or with your uncle.
I'm professional.
Professional. It's getting away. Why are you so slow?
So the tires are cold. We need to warm up them a bit.
Come on, downshift.
Yeah. I'm not so good with automatic cars. Come on. Come on. Fast. Fast. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, bro.
It's fast. Or a Cayman. I wonder if it's stock or if it has some turbo.
But I always drive with Sport Plus mode.
Yeah.
Because I'm afraid to put DSC off.
Oh no.
Because it's still my daily, so I'm not allowed to crash this car. It's for children.
Yes, and I'm a big kid.
Yes.
There's a Lilo and Stitch ventilator on the air vent.
So, oh yeah, on this camera you can't see it, I think.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
It's green, you see there's no
Really?
yellow here on the left. Yeah, chop chop.
Chop chop. Okay.
There also no yellow. Everyone just vibing. Oh. I don't know what's he doing, but...
What the fuck? Maybe it's because of him? Oh, okay. We lost your camera.
Yeah.
I hope it will survive.
Alright,
Yeah?
here is yellow.
What the fuck?
Man, now we're gonna get banned.
No.
No?
Why? There was one yellow off.
2 yellows off.
2 yellows off, so...
But I mean, it would be also spicy if they make yellow all the way from there to here.
So maybe when I brake hard, you can catch the camera.
Yeah.
The good thing is, it's a stock car, so there is a Sitzbank and not just metal.
Are they done? I think they're done because you see they're driving away. Yep.
It's always with you.
With me?
Yes, that I have so many yellow flags or so long parts yellow.
Well, at least something long for you.
And yes.
Brother.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, this was the camera.
Yeah, where is it?
I don't know. You want
I'll check. Lower.
to catch it?
Yeah, maybe.
You are able to catch it?
No, I need to. Metzgesfeld, I'll get it. Or you have it. Should I have it?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Ah, here you are. Do not try this at home.
Yes. I hope it's not broken.
No, it's fine. It's GoPro, so what it can do, you'll have still your camera sort of. La 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 la.
Yeah, make your camera setup while we are on track. Perfect.
I hope it works. Influencers be influencing. Oh no, I stopped the camera.
Oh no!
And now I started and sync clap. Chop chop. The exposure I need to be set to the outside actually. Yeah.
Is it
I
recording?
think yeah. I think it's good.
And because the brakes are not that good, I brake so early. Because I'm a little bit afraid that the brake is completely gone.
Should be fine. Are you not shifting yourself?
No. I'm very bad in driving automatic cars on the Nordschleife.
Okay. What's that?
So,
There's a...
This is my dash cam who thinks we have a crash all the
okay.
time.
Alpha Wami! California knows how to party. That's the weirdest space to put the indicator. Talking about the Ferrari designing perspective. She needs to go on the brakes because of the tires.
But still 200, something like 200, a little bit less.
Not bad, not bad.
Why it looks here so dark?
What? You look so dark.
The sky. No crash dash cam. It's so weird how the car's driving like a bus.
Maybe you need to put different suspension on.
Yeah, but it's still my daily.
So what?
I was thinking
Oh wow,
about.
what is that? It's a Ford, a what? A Ford what? A probe! Damn! Probe!
One tire fire. Now it's too dark for the sunglass.
Yeah.
Okay. We have a taxi behind us.
Oh yeah.
Ah, we are too slow.
say that because it sounds raunchy.
I don't know.
Woo!
Not only sideways with the Polo branch in entry, also a bit with the M240.
I think that's my next car that I'm gonna drive. Yeah,
He's fast.
He is.
I think I need Stahlflex because the pedal feels like there's no brake, and then I push a little bit more, and then the brake is there.
Oh. It's like collecting bonus points.
I need to try one lap without, so with DSC off.
Yeah.
Maybe it's better because I'm too fast for the Sport Plus mode because it's always regulated and it's bad for my brakes. Maybe that's why the brakes are so bad.
That could be the case, yes.
Yeah. Maybe after that lap I will try a lap with DSC off.
Yeah.
If my tires are still okay. You can hear the ESC.
Good job. Very, very good. Very nice. No, not bad for like
Stock.
for you.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome anytime.
I know. So you have right now your next Termin?
Termin? Ja, habe ich wahrscheinlich.
Ja, okay, also fahr ich dich jetzt direkt
Ja,
zurück.
bitte.
Okay.
His fuel tank cap is open. I wonder how many fish they're gonna have here.
Okay.
What?
He's escalating.
Escalating? Who?
This
Escaping.
one in the red BMW. He was looking at me like this.
Ah. Alright. Thanks. See you next time. In whatever car you bring.